Hey everybody, 12:53, 20 seconds, March 15th is the drawing for the Cap 100. Over here are the 26 filled spots. Alright, what happened here is, Rick, you asked for 2 spots. I immediately said one of the spots was filled. You didn't reply. I gave you the one open spot. There's still no reply, no payment. Tried numerous times to tag you, tried numerous times to send you a private message. There was no response. There's been no payment. So I had to open it back up. My things move fast. I got to keep it moving. I got other things to do today. So I'm not trying to be mean here. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just stating the facts. I gave, there was no response, and I responded immediately to your comment. So, unfortunately, we have to move along. I hope nothing bad happens that you missed out, but it is what it is. So, number is 9. Going to randomize 9 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get the slab. I will try my best to get it out before Monday, but worst case, it will be Monday. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here comes the final one. 9. Spot 20, My Sweet Adeline. Congratulations, that's a video. Time is 12:54 and 50.